Welcome to the .NET MAUI PDF Viewer tutorial. In this video, you will see how to load a PDF document with form fields, customize them, validate data, and share the finalized form document using the Syncfusion .NET MAUI PDF Viewer. Additionally, you can also fill, edit, save, export, and import acro form fields in a PDF document. The supported form fields in PDF Viewer include text boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, combo boxes, list boxes, and signatures. I open an existing .NET MAUI application where I have already installed the Syncfusion .NET MAUI PDF Viewer package. If you want to know how to get started with the .NET MAUI PDF Viewer, check out the video link in the card above or in the description below. First, I will show you how to load a PDF form document into the PDF Viewer. To do this, let me create a new folder, and within it, add the PDF form document to load into the PDF Viewer. Then right-click on this document and set its build action property to embedded resource. Then import the PDF Viewer control namespace and create a grid layout on the content page. Within this layout, initialize the PDF Viewer control. Then I navigate to the main page CS file and import the required packages for this application. Next, I will create the stream instance to fetch the document stream for the PDF. After that, let me load the document using the load document method. Now I select the Android emulator and run the application. Here you can see the .NET MAUI PDF Viewer displaying a PDF document with form fields, where you can easily fill and edit the form fields. Next, let's see how to customize the date of birth field using the Syncfusion MAUI Picker control. The date picker control makes date selection simple and easy by showing it in a pop-up or drop-down. To use this control, it is necessary to install the Syncfusion .NET MAUI Picker package, which I have already installed in the application. Then import the picker namespace and initialize the picker in the grid layout with required code snippet. If you want to know how to get started with the Syncfusion .NET MAUI Picker, check out the video link in the description below. Next, within the PDF Viewer control code, let me add the form field focus changed event with event handler. After that, I will navigate to main page XAML CS file and create the event handler. Inside this method, check whether the form field is not null, and if it's the date of birth field. If so, verify the focus of date of birth field, and set the date picker visibility to true. On Android and iOS devices, when clicking the date of birth form field, the keyboard will automatically appear in PDF Viewer. Since the keyboard is not required to enter the date picker can be used instead. To achieve this, add code to hide the soft keyboard that appears when clicking the text form field on Android and iOS devices. When you click the date of birth form field, the picker pop-up will be shown. By default, selecting a date won't update the field automatically. To fix this, I add the OK and Cancel buttons clicked events with appropriate event handlers. After that, within this main page XAML CS file, let me implement both the event handlers. When the OK button is clicked, this method will be triggered. So inside this method, let me retrieve the form field with the name date of birth field and check whether the form field is a text form field, and date picker selected date is not null. Then convert the selected date to a string and split it to get only the date part. Here I will split the date string into day, month, and year format. Then let me reformat the date and set the formatted date as the text to the field. Finally, set the date picker grid visibility to false. When the cancel button is clicked, this method will be triggered. Inside this event handler, I set the date picker grid visibility to false. Finally, I will show you how to share the filled PDF form document using the button click. To use the Syncfusion MAUI button control, it is necessary to install the button package, which I have already the package installed in the application. As a first step, I import the MAUI button package and add the code snippet for button with click event. After that, I will navigate to main page XAML CS file and create the share button click to event handler. In the share button click event, I am going to validate the form date when the fields are filled in the form. To do this, let me define a method called validate form data and import the required package for this. In this method, I validate each filled form field to ensure it meets the expected criteria. If a field doesn't meet the criteria, an alert dialog will be displayed. After that, let me invoke this method in the share button clicked event to validate the fields before proceeding. Then check whether the validation is successful. I create a memory stream and save the document to it. To store the document in local storage, I generate a temporary file on the device and write the file stream to it. After confirming the file exists in local storage, I share the saved PDF file using a share file request, setting the title and file. Finally, I share the file via the default sharing options and dispose of the output stream. Now I save and run the application. Look here, I fill out the form fields. And click the share button. However, the error is shown because I didn't fill in the email form field. After I fill in the email field, I click the share button again, and this time the pop-up with the default sharing options appears. Let me sum up this video. I have shown you how to fill and customize the form fields in PDF document using Syncfusion.NET MAUI PDF Viewer. You can download this working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format products if you are eligible for our community license. If you find it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.